Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. What is the farthest distance between 2 points on a cylinder of height 8 and radius 8 centimeter? Okay. So for a moment, let's stop bothering about the dimension of the cylinder. Let's consider it as any normal cylinder. Okay, so let's say we have this cylinder where height is more and base is less, and other cylinder could be like this where base is more than the height. Okay, so it can be any cylinder. To find the farthest point which are inside the cylinder, we should do this. Okay, so first we need to divide this cylinder into two planes. So if you see, this cylinder is in two planes, right? First one is the height and the other one is base. So to determine the highest or to determine the farthest point, if we consider the vertical plane, then on vertical plane, if you see, the height will be maximum for any cylinder, right? Here also in vertical plane the height will be maximum, and in the horizontal plane the diameter of the base will be maximum. Here also the diameter of the base will be maximum. So in two planes we have got this. In the vertical plane the height is maximum, in the horizontal plane the diameter is maximum. So if we try to extract a 2D plane out of this 3D, then we'll see this, right? We'll have these 4 points which are farthest from each other, right? These 4 would be the points, and if you see in the cylinder, these 4 points would be this, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this will be the case in any cylinder. So now here it from my diagram it looks like a square, but it can be a rectangle or anything. It will be a rectangle, not square in all the cases, unless the diameter and height is same. So now if you see in this plane, this is a rectangle, and in a rectangle always the diagonal of the rectangle is maximum, right? And here the diagonal will be h square plus d square, where h is the height of the cylinder and d is the diameter of the base of the cylinder, right? So this is the reason, because here in the rectangle the diagonal is the biggest side, hence these 2 points, point number 2 and point number 4, are farthest, right? Similarly, point 1 and 3 will also be farthest, as explained as mentioned in this diagram. So that is the reason in any of the cylinder, either 2, 4, the opposite points will be farthest, or 1, 3 would be farthest. Okay, so now here considering point 2 and point 4 are farthest, their distance between them would be h square plus d square. Now in this case, if you see in this question, the height is given as 8 square and radius of base is given as 8, hence the radius will be 16. Okay, so this diagonal would be 8 square plus 16 square. Here if you take 8 square common, we'll have 1 plus 2 square, right? So 8 square, 8 will come out, and inside root will have 2 to the power 4 plus 1, 5. So 8 root 5 is the diagonal and hence the farthest distance of these 2 points. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.